Hello traders, today is the 13th of July 2023. We had an amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the Aussie dollar. Pretty straightforward. At the Asian session, as explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this resistance, then keep taking a long trade. Here we have, you can see a market nicely broken, and if you look at this candlestick pattern, let me make it slightly bigger, and if you look ahead, this is the bullish engulfing candle. You can see here the price nicely broken this resistance level, and after that, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That's a pretty straightforward. You can see here Asian session analysis, that was the market nicely broken, and after breakout, price nicely hit to the profit target, bank some profit. As explained, look for another pullback. As you can see here, again we did another analysis. This London morning session, just before London open, we have another beautiful pullback long trade here. Price nicely hit, and as explained my trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even or banking some profit. I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but if you want to see all that analysis in real time with the full explanation, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a safe trading and all the best.